There is no man living that cannot do more than he thinks he can. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system. For if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Competition is the key cutting edge of business, always shaving away at costs. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do.